Picture yourself standing in a vast open meadow at dawn. The horizon stretches endlessly, and as the first rays of light touch the earth, you feel a sense of connection that transcends words. This feeling, this merging of self with the universe, is the essence of the law of attraction. It's the awareness that, with each thought, intention, and feeling, you are co-creating your reality. The law of attraction operates on a beautifully simple concept. We attract into our lives the energies we cultivate within ourselves. But while the theory is straightforward, unseen habits and patterns can subtly erode this force, creating blockages that prevent us from manifesting our desires and reaching our fullest potential. This guide will illuminate the common obstacles to harnessing the law of attraction. By understanding and addressing these barriers, we open ourselves to the boundless potential of a life aligned with our deepest aspirations. The present moment, a portal to power. One of the most profound, yet often overlooked keys to the law of attraction is the power of the present moment. So many of us are caught in the past, reflecting on regrets, revisiting old hurts, or in the future, dwelling on anxieties and expectations. We spend so much time in these mental spaces that we miss the vibrancy of the present, where life's true magic lies. The present moment is not just a stepping stone toward the future. It is the foundation of all future manifestations. Every opportunity, every experience, every joy exists in the now. It is only by embracing each moment fully that we can unlock the boundless possibilities that surround us. When we are consumed by past regrets or worries about the future, we unintentionally lower our vibrational frequency. This diminishes our ability to attract positive experiences, as we are not fully aligned with the universe's natural flow. Anchoring ourselves in the present moment strengthens our connection with the universe, a connection that is essential for manifestation. By focusing on what is real and tangible right now, we create a powerful resonance that fuels the law of attraction, drawing our desires closer to reality. Bill King once said, "Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, today is a gift of God," which is why we call it the present. Embracing the now is a profound act of gratitude and awareness, one that invites abundance and fulfillment into our lives. Releasing the past, freeing ourselves from pain identities. At the core of our being lies a tapestry of memories, experiences, and emotions. While these elements shape who we are, they can also become sources of limitation if we become too attached to them. A major hindrance to the law of attraction is our attachment to pain. Identities, these stories of suffering and trauma that we carry as part of our identity. This attachment to past pain often stems from the ego's need to define itself through experiences, especially those of hardship. By holding on to these stories, we create a self-imposed prison where past sorrows dictate present actions and decisions, overshadowing our ability to attract positive energy. Instead of focusing on the limitless potential of the present, many of us replay old memories, creating a loop of suffering that blocks the flow of attraction. This attachment to pain identities can become one of the greatest obstacles to personal evolution, trapping us in patterns that keep us from experiencing the abundance that life offers. For some, it takes a major life event, a crisis, or a breaking point to release these attachments. It's as if a dam bursts, allowing years of stored pain to flow freely, making way for healing and transformation. Breaking free from a pain identity doesn't mean erasing the past. Rather, it means acknowledging these experiences without letting them define us. When we understand that our essence transcends our history, a monumental shift occurs, liberating us to create new narratives aligned with our highest self. Life's purpose is not to cling to past suffering but to evolve beyond it. While pain is a part of the human experience, suffering is optional. Choosing not to suffer is a profound act of self-love and a powerful step in harnessing the law of attraction. Moving beyond blame, taking responsibility for our reality. A common stumbling block in applying the law of attraction is the tendency to assign blame. When faced with challenges or setbacks, it's often easier to point fingers or see ourselves as victims of circumstance than to take responsibility for our role in the unfolding of our lives. Blame arises from the mind's identification with its own stories. These stories often focus on external factors or past events, creating a cycle of victimhood that blocks our ability to manifest our desires. When we dwell in blame, we sow seeds in barren soil, limiting our capacity to create the life we envision. Realizing that most problems exist only in the mind, rather than in reality, can be a liberating shift. Many of the problems we perceive are simply projections, constructs of the mind that distract us from the present. By recognizing this, we can redirect our energy from dwelling on obstacles to focusing on possibilities. True alignment with the law of attraction requires a shift from blame to empowerment, from seeing obstacles as limitations to perceiving them as opportunities for growth. This mindset not only opens the door to manifestation, but also enhances our ability to navigate life with grace and resilience. The illusion of material accumulation. In a world that often equates success with material gain, it's easy to fall into the trap of associating abundance solely with wealth. This focus on accumulation can paradoxically create a barrier to true abundance, as the relentless pursuit of more often leads to an endless cycle of desire and dissatisfaction. The ego's craving for more creates a perpetual state of lack, overshadowing even the most abundant life with a sense of emptiness. In this cycle, the essence of true abundance found in experiences, relationships, and inner peace becomes obscured by material pursuits. Shifting our focus from material to experiential wealth fosters an environment where the law of attraction can flourish. Real wealth lies not in possessions, but in the richness of our experiences, the warmth of our connections, and the joy of living authentically. When we manifest from a place of wholeness, abundance flows naturally, transforming our journey from one of seeking to one of receiving. This shift in perspective allows us to create a life where material gains are a reflection, rather than the source, of our inner fulfillment. Rediscovering the essence of being. In the busyness of everyday life, many lose sight of their true essence. Society often encourages us to prioritize external achievements, focusing on doing rather than simply being. This focus on the external can disconnect us from our inner self, blocking the natural flow of abundance and prosperity. When we ignore our true essence, we dim the light of our consciousness, obstructing the vibrational alignment needed for manifestation. Real abundance flows not from outward success but from inner harmony, from the awareness of our own being and the interconnectedness of all life. Epictetus once observed, "Man is not worried by real problems, so much as by his imagined anxieties about real problems." This insight speaks to the importance of cultivating inner awareness. By reconnecting with our essence, we create a fertile environment for manifestation, where each intention aligns effortlessly with the universe. In this state of connection, life's simple moments become extraordinary, and we find ourselves aligned with the rhythm of existence. This alignment is not only the foundation of the law of attraction, but also a pathway to inner peace. Embracing the spirit of generosity. The law of attraction operates on the principle of flow, where giving and receiving are in constant harmony. One of the most powerful ways to attract abundance is to cultivate a spirit of generosity, giving without expectation. However, many fall into the trap of giving with hidden expectations, hoping for something in return. When generosity is tainted by the ego's desire for reciprocation, it disrupts the pure energy of giving and blocks the flow of abundance. In her book The Power, Rhonda Byrne describes the act of giving as a catalyst for abundance. She writes, "When you give, say to yourself, I am in the endless flow of giving and receiving. Feel the happiness inside you. Know that as you have given, you have set an avalanche of giving and receiving in motion." This practice of sincere giving not only enriches the lives of others, but also aligns the giver with the universe's boundless energy. True generosity strengthens our connection to abundance, enhancing the flow of positivity and prosperity. The path of self-discovery, journeying within. The law of attraction is more than a tool for achieving external success. It is a pathway to self-discovery. When we focus solely on outward accomplishments, we often lose sight of the inner wealth that lies within. True self-discovery requires us to shed the layers of ego and connect with our core essence. This journey inward not only strengthens our alignment with the universe, but also reveals the boundless potential of our own being. By embracing our innermost self, we deepen our connection to universal abundance, enhancing our capacity to attract love, joy, and fulfillment. This inward journey transcends material desires, leading us to self-realization and the ultimate freedom from ego-driven limitations. Every step on this path is a step toward wholeness, aligning us with the law of attraction's true potential and inviting the universe gifts into our lives. The power of positive habits. The habits we cultivate play a vital role in shaping our energy and aligning us with the law of attraction. Positive habits like gratitude, mindfulness, and intentional focus elevate our vibrational frequency, creating a magnetic field that draws abundance and joy. Practicing gratitude amplifies the energy of appreciation, transforming even the simplest experiences into sources of joy. Mindfulness keeps us grounded in the present, while intentional focus directs our energy toward what we truly desire. Each of these habits reinforces our alignment with the universe, enhancing our ability to manifest our dreams and creating a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. Cultivating emotional resilience. Emotions are powerful indicators of our vibrational frequency. Negative emotions like anger, resentment, or fear lower our energy, while positive emotions like love, compassion, and joy elevate it. Cultivating emotional resilience means learning to navigate life's challenges without losing alignment. By acknowledging our emotions without being controlled by them, we maintain a stable frequency that supports the law of attraction. This resilience is not about suppressing emotions, but about embracing them as part of our journey, allowing them to guide us without overpowering our sense of inner peace. Closing reflection. The infinite potential of the law of attraction. The law of attraction reminds us that we are creators, not merely passive participants in the universe. By aligning our thoughts, feelings, and actions with the universe flow, we become channels for abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Remember, the key to unlocking this power lies within. It requires presence, self-awareness, gratitude, and a commitment to positive action. As we cultivate these qualities, we open ourselves to a life where every day brings new opportunities for growth and happiness. So step forward with intention, embrace each moment with gratitude, give freely, and manifest with love. Welcome to a life of endless potential, a life where you are the architect of your reality, creating a world that reflects your highest self and deepest desires.